Okay, I'm starting in on my berry filling. I'm using a really shallow, like almost like a tart pan, because I just like the idea of this really shallow pan with all that crumbly topping on it. So we're going to put that down. It's pretty much defrosted. My berries are still pretty cold, but they're going in the oven, so that's okay. But you can tell it's all defrosted. I'm going to get my fingers a little dirty. This is great. And our 2 bags will be just perfect. All right, my hand's a little messy. That's okay, though. Let's tear this open. Get that in there. Now, you see so many times apple crisp, which I'm a huge fan. My sister, you hear me talk about her a lot. She makes a great apple crisp. I'm just a mixed berry person. I love mixed berry anything. Desserts or drinks or fruit bars. Cereal bars, you name it. I'm a mixed berry girl. So, I have some mixed berries. That's just perfect. Just patting that out. Okay. Now, to this, I'm just going to put some sugar on it to sweeten it up. These are unsweetened berries. Rinse my hand off. It's kind of messy. To sweeten it up with some sugar, I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of sugar on this. I'm just going to sprinkle on top. Again, this is a really shallow dish, so I don't have to, mix it well together because the sugar is just going to go, it's actually going to cover everything. If you were using a much deeper dish, then you might want to start out mixing it in a bowl first, but this is actually, it's still going to cover everything because it's so shallow. So we're going to put 3/4, this is about 1/2 cup. I want to cover everything. Make sure everything gets covered. And what this does, the sugar really brings out the natural juices in the fruit. It's called macerating. So sugar's really going to draw that out. And of course, it's baking a dessert, so we need the sugar. Add a little bit more because that was only about 1/2 cup. And I want about 3/4. Let's get a little bit more. Near the end. Okay, perfect. Okay, just sprinkle this over everything. That's great. And now we're going to add some lemon juice. This is really going to lighten it up. I'm just going to kind of flatten this out a little bit. I want to get my lemon juice going and also get some zest